Hello guys, this is your boy Devi and I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is another crypto video about a MetaMask wallet, and in this video I'm gonna try to break down all about the much anticipated MetaMask airdrop. So guys, as we know that there is a massive MetaMask airdrop that is underway, because MetaMask has already developed a token called the Mask token, and that is already confirmed. So, and also we know that there is a rumor that there is no confirmed guide on how to be eligible in participating in the airdrop, but we have so many rumors that the Mask token is gonna be airdropped to its MetaMask users. So we are gonna follow the guideline taken by the big airdrop hunters and see how we can be eligible in getting the Mask airdrop. So guys, in this video, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a guy on YouTube telling you or showing you how I earn my crypto and from the projects from which I get my crypto from. So guys, with all that said, remember, you should always be a risk taker and you should always manage your risks very well, because crypto involves risk and everything in this world carries a risk. So you should be a good risk manager for your assets. So guys, step number one, as you can see, on the portfolio site of MetaMask. It is portfolio.metamask.io. So this is my MetaMask, and as you can see, there is no money here. This video is just an illustration of what we are anticipating that's gonna happen. So the first step is, in case you don't have MetaMask wallet, you have to set up your MetaMask wallet. And for those of you who don't know how to do that, I'm gonna put a guide on how to do that. I made a video around 2 years ago on how to set up your MetaMask. And then step number 2, you should load your wallet with some tokens. You can put Polygon, you can put the new Arbitrum, you can put BUSD, you can put Polygon, you can put BNB, you can put BNB, BSC, and all of any other coin that you feel like. So that is step number 2. And then step number 3, then we go to MetaMask portfolio website, which is this website here. Remember the wallet, this is the wallet. The wallet only shows your assets, doesn't show all those other futures. Most of the futures are on the portfolio website. So you go to your portfolio website and select, make sure you make use of all these futures here. So as you can see, we have the buy option, we have the swap option, we have the bridge option, also have the staking option, and we also have the NFTs here. So what you should do first, you should go and use almost all these futures. For example, the swap future, let us first begin with the swap future. Here you're gonna be able to swap from one coin to another coin. Remember, you can swap from Ethereum to BNB, from Ethereum to Polygon, and also for example, let me first change this network because it is in the Binance Smart Chain. So you need to change. Let me begin with the Ethereum. I rarely use Ethereum here in this wallet, so I actually have nothing here. So you change from one network to another, and then you do all these futures. If you are to swap, you go to Ethereum network, you swap from one coin to another, and then you change from by BNB Smart Chain. You also swap coins from BNB to maybe Ethereum, and then you go to Polygon, also you swap. You make sure you do all those swaps, because this is the rumor we're having, is that people who are gonna be using all these futures are gonna be eligible for the airdrop. So you can maybe use like around $50 to do all these futures. Then after the swap future is done, then you go to the bridging future. So to bridge, you're bridging coins from one network to another. For example, you can bridge. For example, you can bridge from BNB Smart Chain. As you can see, you select the coin you want to change. Let me begin with Ethereum. You can bridge Ethereum in this network, Ethereum network. Then you send the coins here. Maybe you send USDT, and then you select the network where you want to change, maybe like Polygon. Then you put in the coin that you want to receive. So guys, you also receive USDT. So remember, bridging is expensive. You will be charged a fee for doing that, and just make sure that you do all these futures, you follow up all these futures that are in the portfolio website of the MetaMask. So after bridging from Ethereum to maybe Polygon, you can switch, and then maybe you switch from Polygon to Ethereum like that, and make sure that you at least have a volume of around $50 on all these futures. So here you choose the coins that you want to bridge. For example, let us choose USDT. You also get USDT in the Ethereum network. And then after doing that, then you go to the staking platform. Yeah, this one also you can stake some of these that are available here. As you can see, there is Lido staked ETH. You can stake that and you get 4.5% rewards, or you can stake Rocket Pool staked ETH, and then you get 3.91%. So guys, those are so far the futures that we have done. You can buy the coins. I had forgotten to tell you this. You can buy. You can also use the future. You can use a debit card, or you can use SEPA bank transfer to show that you've bought some coins using the buy future. So far those are four: the buy future, the swap future, the bridge future, and the staking future. Then another thing that you should do also is to buy some NFTs here. You should buy some NFTs. So as you can see, me, I already own 2 NFTs. I bought this in the project that I'm doing at the moment, the Aurora turbo generators. I own 2 NFTs already here. So guys, basically that's what we anticipate that they are going to follow in order to give the airdrop. And you should always check and follow MetaMask on Twitter and all their social media platforms, because I think they will have to announce something there. So guys, basically that's all I had for you today in this video. I'll see you in the next update video about the MetaMask airdrop.